What we're going to do is answer the age-old question, can we catch a shark or a fish using mushrooms as bait?
I'm not sure it's an age-old question.
We're just going to say it's an age-old question that we're going to answer. So we're going fishing tomorrow. We got some premium mushrooms that we supplied blocks to our good friend John Ford at Unearthed Co Mushrooms. John is actually a marine biologist by trade before he started growing mushrooms. We'll soak some in tuna roll just to make sure that we at least catch one on a mushroom. So we'll let it soak overnight. Oh, look at that. Maybe I should have shaken it up first. Oh my God.
Where'd you get the tuna roll from?
Gone fishing, Carrum Downs. They had this on special. Let's try that again. Looks like seerage. We got some oyster mushrooms. We got some lion's mane. Nice firm. Should we cut some in the shape of a fish? Oh, how's that?
What sort of fish is that?
I have no idea.
Yum.
It's like a big chunk of fish. Well, these are nice and firm, so they should stay on the line. So we hook in one side, it's gonna flap in the breeze like a fish. You want some tuna taste and marinated lion's mane? Baits are soaking. We'll put this all back in the fridge. Gonna take some fresh stuff. Lights will be out in the shed, and I'll be driving out the driveway at 5:30. So see you on the boat in the morning.
6.5 hours later.
How are you? Here we are, first thing in the morning, pulling away, heading out into the great unknown. Oh yeah, rocking and rolling.
Like, where are you taking me, Russell? If you want a life jacket, they're down there.
What are you saying that for?
We haven't picked the best day to go fishing. She's a little crosswind and a little juppy. We're gonna nice marinated lion's mane, and we're gonna lower her down, see if we can catch a fish. And down she goes.
Well, they do say that mushrooms are a good breakfast.
They'll be smarter after taking our hook. Mushrooms away.
Which one was it?
No, that was the oyster. Fish might have taken to the reef and pulled it off. Well, we had a couple of nibbles on the lines, mate, and it took the bait, so we'll bait up another one because it got taken. Some fish like the lines, mate. But we're right over a bit of reef, so there could be some small stuff down there. There you go. Our oyster's gone, so someone's hungry. So the trouble we're having is the oysters are being pulled off the hook, so you get a few nibbles and it's gone. We'll keep trying, hopefully one hoovers it up, just goes and gets hooked. Got some old crispy cranes, keep that sugar level up, just nice and fun conditions. So far the challenge we're facing with mushrooms and fishing, as that one, the lion's mane one just takes off. That was the one with the lion's mane on it. They say we're having trouble with the bait, it keeps coming off. That's a good fish. That's a good fish on the lion's mane rod. The trouble we're having is the bait staying on the hook. He might have got off. So pretty much every 2 minutes I'm pulling the bait up and re-hooking it. And I'm like, we're just talking, we're never going to catch anything on this lion's mane. And just after this one hit the deck, hit the bottom again, it took off.
Lion's mane mushroom may be the way to go.
You just got to come out at breakfast time when things are hungry. We will be honest, we did marinate the lion's mane. I laugh if that other the oyster rod takes off. I feel like there's something on here. Can you see him? He's only just pinged a little gummy shark on the lion's mane. He's only just hooked. Do we want to keep him or let him go?
Nah, we'll let him go.
We'll let him go?
Yeah, we'll let him go.
Because he's going to be smarter after eating that lion's mane. We could be starting an evolutional change in gummy sharks, feeding the lion's mane. Yeah. He's only a little fella. All right. First gummy shark caught on the marinated lion's mane. How big is he? Oh, he's about a metre. Well, he's gonna live to be smarter another day. Watching the sun come up on our mushroom adventure is awesome. That was so funny. Of all the rods, something's already tugged on the lion's mane rod again. Your life was the same fish. Coming back, he's like, give me some of that lion's mane. So what we're doing is we're just good sized chunks they can just swallow whole. We want them to come along, get the tuna smell and just gobble it whole. We picked nice young firm fruits for one quality, two so it hangs on, got a bit of hanging resistance. That's how you do it. The only downside, you're changing your baits like every 5 minutes. You see a nibble, it's gone. We caught a shark on mushrooms. If you can hear that noise, it's like Phillip Island penguins. They're pretty hard to see in the choppy waves. When it's really flat out here, when you drive around your boat, you just see pairs of them everywhere. You're out fishing. It's really cool. Well, we caught a shark on lion's mane. Do you want to go for a squid? I could really take some squid home. Yeah. Let's go for a squid. Well, there you go. We proved one question I had in my brain is, can we catch a fish on a mushroom? And I caught one. Okay, we've got a couple of big Western Port squids for dinner tonight, so what about a ripper of a day? What will we do next? See you next time.